transforming tow truck Blaze, and transforming rubble jet. Hey, I think you need a tow. No, I think you need a tow. I'm gonna transform. And I can tow you like this. Not a chance, Rubble. I'm gonna tow you. Time to transform. All right, Rubble. It's time for you to get towed. I've got him. Rubble, you're getting towed out of here. We're taking you to the garage. Bye, Rubble. Hey, everybody. We've got a brand new Blaze and the Monster Machines toy. This guy is so cool. It's the transforming tow truck. And he has lights, phrases, and sounds. And it's Blaze, and he transforms into a tow truck. And here is the back, and it shows you everything it does. Help is on the way. And there's Blaze. And it shows how he can carry things. Hey, we have that toy. It's Pickle with his changing tires. He's got his off-road tires and his cheese tires. Maybe we'll have to try and tow him. This is so cool. And you can transform him like this into a regular monster truck or into a tow truck. We also have the tow truck Crusher. And this is the die-cast toy. So now we have tow truck Crusher and tow truck Blaze. That is so neat. And we have the die-cast Blaze with AJ. He's in here riding along. Woohoo! These are some neat die-cast toys that are brand new, and we're gonna open them up and show them to you. We also have the Flip and Fly Rubble from Paw Patrol. Now this is brand new, and they are so awesome. He transforms into a jet. Woohoo! Flip and Fly Rubble. Whoa! These toys are so much fun to play with. And here's our little Rubble. So we've got Paw Patrol and Blaze and Crusher. Wow, let's get this thing unboxed and start checking it out. We've got Blaze out. Now let's get Blaze and AJ. Here we go. Oh, look at this cool die cast. And there's Blaze. He's looking up at AJ to see which way AJ wants to go. And we've got tow truck Crusher. Look at that! Crusher has a tow truck. Ha! He's gonna help Blaze, or is he gonna get in the way? I wonder what they're towing. I can't wait to see this episode. Woohoo, Crusher, you look cool. But we've got to check out this tow truck Blaze. Here is our tow truck Blaze, and I told you we had that cool Pickle toy. Here's his garage, and you open it up like this, and here's his off-road tires. He has a spoiler, and it goes in here also, like that. And you can change his tires out. Right now he's got cheese tires. That's super silly. You can take these off and put them back on. Maybe we want to do half and half. Do some cheese tires and some off-road tires. Like this. All right, let's see if Blaze can help Pickle out. Can he tow him? Let's find out. All right, Blaze, we need your help. It's time to transform. But before we transform you, we have to check your engine and make sure everything's okay. Yep, everything looks okay in there. You've got good oil pressure. It looks good. Now you can transform, Blaze. Pickle needs your help. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at that. He's a tow truck. Woohoo! Now he's a monster truck. This is so cool. Woohoo!
I'm Tow Truck Blaze, and I'm here to help.
You just pull it apart, and here is our tow truck. And he's got some phrases that he says. Now let's see if he can tow Pickle.
Roll out.
Woohoo! Come on, Pickle. We'll give you a lift. Here we go. And don't forget your garage. We'll set the garage back here. Like this. And off we go. I'll take you to the garage and we'll get you fixed up. Oh no, Darrington needs a lift. And he's missing a tire. Blaze, we need your help. Here comes Blaze. He's got your tire, Darrington. Here we go. And now he's gonna tow you back to the garage. All right, transform.
Tow Truck Blaze here with super pulling power.
Super pulling power. Here you go, Darrington. And here is your garage. And we're off. Hold on, Darrington. Uh-oh, Tow Truck Crusher needs help. He needs a tow truck. Don't worry, Crusher. We'll get Blaze here. Oh, not Blaze. Don't worry, Crusher. We'll get you fixed up in just a minute. Here comes Blaze. He's here to the rescue, Crusher. Transform. Woohoo!
Tow Truck Blaze, and I'm here to help.
I'm Tow Truck Blaze, and I'm here to help. All right, Crusher. We'll just put you on back here. Ta-da! Now you're safe. Woo-woo! Here we go. Hold on, Crusher. Now that we've seen this cool tow truck Blaze, let's open up the Flip and Fly Rubble. And this is Rubble's jet. Woohoo! This thing is so neat. Let's get it out. We even have things that we can shoot off, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. Here's Rubble. We've got it out. Flip and Fly Rubble. He's got a drill on the back. Here is Rubble's new jet, and it transforms. We can put Rubble in here like this, and you can see how this moves back. There we go. Keep Rubble in there, and then you can take off, and he transforms. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3. He's a jet. Whoa, go Rubble. Then transform back into a bulldozer. Woohoo! The other Flip and Fly pups all have a hook like this so that they can be rescued. It's kind of like a tow truck. See this? It's time for a lift. We've rescued you, Rubble. And drop it back down. Here are our projectiles. And this goes right in here, like that. And then you can store some on the side right here, like that. And then our discs go in here. And we're gonna shoot these and see how far we can get it to go. All right, first one up. Come on, Rubble. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Now a disc. Very good. Woo! And we can put the next one in. 1, 2, 3. Hey, it got stuck up there. Look at that. And there we go. We got it down. Now transform. And this is our Rubble transforming jet. Transforming tow truck Blaze and transforming Rubble jet. Hey, I think you need a tow. No, I think you need a tow. I'm gonna transform. And I can tow you like this. Not a chance, Rubble. I'm gonna tow you. Time to transform. All right, Rubble. It's time for you to get towed. I've got him. Rubble, you're getting towed out of here. We're taking you to the garage. Bye, Rubble. But I really enjoyed showing you all these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.